This Monday, we talk about the current status on the chopper. And we get some dipping done. Alright, so we've got it mocked up and getting really close to being together, ready to go. It's basically ready to ride right now, but still got a couple of things left to finish on the paint front. Gotta get the throttle mounted. Got the front and rear brakes all ran. Still got to do some zip tie work on those. But we've got the parts are all over here that are gonna be dipped. And I still have to dip the clutch cover there. But bear with us and we'll get this thing going and you'll see what we did. Not a lot of video this week. All right, guys. So I know this week wasn't the best content. Got a few dips done. I had filmed a lot of the stuff when I was reassembling the chopper for the mock-up, but as I tend to always do, I screwed it up somehow, lost the video, deleted it on accident. Who the hell knows? However, I'm going to make it up to you guys next week, because next week will be our final video for the chopper build. And I'll also reveal the next project we're going to do. Got a couple more mini bike projects. They're simple, they're easy. I really enjoy piddling with it. Picking up some other recommendations from other folks as well on stuff to do with the mini bikes. But got a little quick metal lathe project coming up for a individual that's here locally. Asked me to make him a set of pegs for his motorcycle so his son can ride with him. And Virginia has a law that the child has to be able to reach the pegs. There's no age requirement, but it just says the child has to be able to reach the pegs. So we're going to make a set of pegs that bolt into where the subframe mounts on this gentleman's Harley, so his kid will be able to put his feet on the pegs. That'll probably be in a couple of weeks, and then who knows where we'll go from there. But we'll try to keep it coming every Monday morning. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you again next week for the finish up on the chopper, and then we'll post it up for sale. So we'll see what happens. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope to start off your week well. Hope to see you next week. Take care. It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should